the farmer's market right now, and I thought I would show you guys how to pick. If I were to pick a plant out, which one would I pick if there's like a bunch of them out there? So let me just kind of get on in close and show you guys. So you can see this one here. Sometimes I tend to look at the base here to see how strong it is. If it's like a nice sturdy plant, the base is strong, and like how much it branches out. It depends on, you know, if you wanted to grow vertically or flat, or do you want it to be full and like a bush. So that's kind of the things I think about, how the branches grow. Look at this one here, got a lot of nice side, you know, branches coming out. So this one might make even like a really nice flat kind of a trellising if you want it against the wall.
I can smell this.
This is a jasmine, by the way. This is a really fragrant jasmine that I really love. Yeah, I love this having like against the window. You can smell it when, you know, there's a breeze. It's so nice. All right. So here is one that we picked. I picked out for her. The reason I got this one is because the base here just felt really like, it feels really strong here and sturdy, and it's got all these side shoots. Like even though the shoots here on this one is still like short, but you know they're gonna grow into, you know, they're gonna grow out pretty soon because they're already starting to grow. And there's just so many shoots here, so many baby side shoots. So you're gonna get a nice full plant in a much shorter amount of time, rather than picking up a plant with a few long stems that may look like you have a tall plant right now. But this one, with a little bit of time investment, you're going to get a much fuller plant in maybe a couple of months. Is gorgeous on this one. If you want a full bushy plant, this is it right here. So it starts off, you know, it branches out like this, so full. Whereas this one here, you may get the height, but you're not getting that many branches. So, you know, depends. Maybe you're trying to grow vertically and you don't want so much on the top, on the bottom to grow. Maybe you want the top to start growing and branching out. So it all depends on where, you know, you want to grow your things. Hi, Nikki.
Hey!
You look like someone who's collecting the money.
No, I'm looking at the pomegranate. It's so huge.
Oh.
The guy's holding it.
Oh, this one is skinny on the bottom, and then you're starting to get the shoots on the top. So this one, if you want to train it to be more like a tree, then you would want something like this instead of the full one that's branching out on the bottom. It starts off skinny and then it branches out on the top like a tree. So it all depends on your needs, your space, and how you want to shape your plants and trees. Then you would pick the right plants for you, for your space. So if you want something that's more like a bush, you would want to start out, it wouldn't be something like this, because this one is more like tall and it starts having the shoots on the top here. So that's if you want to train it to be a tree. The one that she wants it maybe more full, this may be a shorter plant, but I think this would be a good option for her because she wants it to be like keeping it as like a short bush. So this one's kind of maintains a short bush, and it already has these growths, these stems on here. I say I'd go with this one. Oh, and make sure the trunk here is nice and strong and sturdy. It's a good one. So we'll take this one. So another thing I want to point out is these flower buds. Sometimes it's nice to see like fully in bloom plants, but you may actually want to find ones with buds so you can actually enjoy the entire time of, you know, the bloom. So these ones are going to open up soon, so you can enjoy the entire time. So, and this one we just picked out is actually has full of blooms or buds that are going to be in bloom. You guys out on giving you some tips on which plants to choose for your own garden, for your own needs, for the space that you have, and how you want to shape your plants. That's how you would pick the plants out of the many that they have. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and go check out my website if you want to look into. I do have some plants there available if you want to support me that way. And follow me on social media where I do more instant updates of my life that you don't get on this channel. So, okay, thank you so much, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.
We're going down on the slope.
Oh my God, going down the slope. I'll help in the bottom. Look at all these plants we got. I dare you to go down here.
Oh God.
I bet we can do it. I'll help you.
I'm good. I'm good.
That's very smart, Nikki, going backwards.
Well, I would have broken many hips and bones if I didn't know how to do it.
Woo.